Hello everybody, today I am going to teach you what is the difference in pronunciation when you pronounce these two words. Hey, hey. Similar, right? No big difference. Hey, hey. No, there's a little difference, let me tell you. First of all, let's see what the both have meaning. The hey is mean are. So we use hey for plural and hey is. We use for singular. She is, he is, the laptop is. Are is hey we use for plural. But the question is, what is the difference in pronunciation? Let's see. So simple. Let me write in Urdu script, okay? This is hey and this is hey. To understand the difference in pronunciation, the example I have, it is an English example, okay? We have an English word, John, and then another Urdu word, go, which means ja. The ja is the root of the verb to go. Now, say with me, John. Say again, but say slowly. John. Okay, let me tell you. When you pronounce the word John, your tongue touches the upper side of the teeth. This tongue touches the upper side of the teeth. John means when you finish saying the word John, your tongue touches the upper jaw, upper side of the teeth, right? Right here. John. Okay. Now, this N is not a silent N. We call half N, unfinished N, incomplete N, or actually in Urdu we say nun gunna. That means you need to start pronouncing it, but you do not need to finish it. So it is half pronunciation. So how to do? Let's again try to pronounce the word John. Now try again, say John slowly, but before your tongue touch the upper side of the teeth, suddenly stop. John, I mean halfway. So start pronouncing N, but don't finish it. John. If you say the full N, it becomes John, John. But if you start pronouncing, but you don't finish it, it will be Ja, Ja. Okay. But how if you 100% skip it? If you 100% skip, it becomes Ja. When you say go, Ja, if you don't pronounce half N, it becomes Ja, which means go, right? But if you say the full N, it becomes John. We need to say Ja, Ja. So start pronouncing N sound, but don't finish it. I give you another example. This word in Urdu, it's mean where, kahan, kahan. So we start pronouncing this N, but we don't finish it. Kahan. If you pronounce the full N, it will be kahan, kahan. Say slowly, kahan. Now start pronouncing N, but don't finish it. Kaha, kaha. If we skip 100%, I mean if we remove the N, maybe it's something like kaha, kaha. So the easy method to pronounce this kind of the words, if you like reading or listening them first time, you can pronounce with the full N. Let's say hen, hen, something like hen, chicken, hen, but now pronounce with the half N. Hen, 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 hen. And this one, simple, hey, 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 no N, okay, totally no N, hey. The problem comes with this kind of the N. So they are not the full N. You need to start pronouncing, but before your tongue touch the upper side of the teeth, just suddenly stop. I give you a few more words. Ma, ma means mother. Ma, ma, not man, okay? But if you remove the N, it just become ma. No, ma, man, ma. Another word, jahan. Jahan. We read it jahan, and somewhere we write jahan. So with the half n, jahan, ja, kahan, and hain. Subscribe Urdu Academy Jakarta for more videos. See you in the next lesson. Allah Hafiz.